Good morning, student. I am Srikant Adhikari, Rajkumar Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I will discuss the first chapter and a new topic, advantages of accounting. I already discussed the meaning of accounting and objectives of accounting before last few videos. Today I will discuss the advantages of accounting. There are few advantages of accounting. First, financial information about business. In a business, accounting transactions are recorded in accounting. And accounting information includes identification of transaction, recording of transactions, classifying, summarizing, and finally, preparation of financial statement. In financial statement, the accountant is required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So, it is very important, it is very essential to prepare financial statement with the help of accounting information, and this is one of the most important advantages of accounting. Second one is assistance to management. Management, one of the most important users of accounting information. Management requires to plan, management makes decisions, and all the planning, all the decisions are made with the help of accounting information. So accounting is also helpful to the management. Management cannot take decisions without accounting information. So accounting information is very, very essential to the management. And number three, replaces memory. As we know that accounting maintains systematic recording of transactions, and all the transactions are not possible to record in the mind of an accountant. So all the transactions, all the informations are recorded in a particular book which is called books of accounts. In books of accounts, the accountant record journal, ledger, trial balance, financial statement. So replaces memory means transactions are not recorded in the mind. Rather, it replaces in accounting. With the help of accounting, all the transactions are recorded systematically and smoothly so that any users can understand the accounting information clearly. Next, facilitates comparative study. Comparison is very necessary of every business enterprise. Without comparison, you cannot develop your business activities. So, with the help of comparative study, the business can control the cost, business can maintain the accounting information properly. So, we can say that the comparative study of accounting information is very important. In comparative study, the business compares its profit or financial position 1 year after 1 year, and with the help of comparative study, the shortfall or drawbacks, if any, can be corrected by the business. So it is very important to compare all the accounting information year after year, or comparison may be of inter-firm comparison and intra-firm comparison. In intra-firm comparison is only within the firm in different years. But in case of inter-firm comparison, the comparison of accounting information is made with the other firm or other business enterprise. So both the comparative study, whether it may be of intra-firm comparison or inter-firm comparison, is essential. This is 4 point. Number 5, facilitates settlement of tax liabilities with the help of accounting information or with the help of accounting. The tax regarding income tax, tax regarding goods and services tax is calculated on the basis of accounting information. Accounting helps to settlement of tax liability of the salaried paid person or business for goods and service taxes. With the help of accounting information, one can easily find out the tax liability, goods and service tax liability or income tax liability. So both the liabilities are possible with the help of accounting information or with the help of accounting. Next point is facilitates loan. Suppose your business want to borrow loan from the bank or financial institutions. Bank will never lend money to the business without accounting information. So accounting information or accounting is very, very essential for borrowing loan from financial institutions or bank. If you don't have any accounting information or you don't have any accounting of the business, bank cannot lend money to the business. So it is very essential, facilitates. Next, evidence to court. Sometimes court requires your accounting information for some dispute may arise in the business and with the customer. So with the help of accounting information, court can easily hear the settlement of the parties, business and customers. So it is the evidence of the court. With the help of this accounting information, court can decide whether the person is guilty or not. Next, facilitates sale of business. Suppose you wish to sell your business. The person to whom you are going to sell your business, he or she requires your accounting information in previous few years. The accounting information is very essential to the person to whom you are going to sell the business. He wishes to study your accounting and ultimately decide whether your business is purchased or not. So accounting information or accounting is very essential whenever you sell your business to the person. And last one is help in decision making. Ultimately, with the help of accounting information, the management can decide, the management can help, the management can plan or make strategies. Ultimately, management can decide, management can take decisions about the control of cost, about budgeting, about estimating, everything. So accounting is very, very important. Accounting is very, very essential for the users, and already I discussed these points one after one. So my dear students, I hope you understand all the points very clearly. Next video I will supply limitations of accounting. Thank you.